All right, the next project, this is super simple. It's just a regular gift card, and I just took a small piece of designer paper and wrapped it around and did some stamping, and then added the tree. This is cute. I think most of you that got this to go purchased this bundle anyway, so you're gonna just do the stamping on that. And then, so let me just show you. Then then you're just gonna put the parts and pieces together. I don't think this one needs much explanation, but this layer is popped up, and this one's on me. Merry Christmas is also popped up, and then the tree is popped up in the center of this circle with the dimensional as well. I added some embellishments, and then I just wrapped, the designer paper around, adhered it in the back here, and then I tied a piece of this twine, and you got a full packet of these glitter stars in your swag bag for the retreat. And so I'm gonna just slip this on here. It just makes it a little more festive looking. And I would probably go ahead, I mean, it's up to you, but I would probably go ahead and just snip this little silver part off, the little cord there. And then I'm just going to tie this in a bow. This one's super simple, but quick, easy. If you like to give gift cards, this is a quick way to, another idea for how to dress it up and make it look cute. That's just a cute little festive, fun gift card holder.